Good morning, students. In the previous class, we completed up to third Roman in exercise 3.3 polynomials. So, in the first Roman, already you learned about how to verify the relationship between zeros and coefficients of a quadratic polynomial. Here, you have to know how to verify the relationship between zeros and coefficients of a cubic polynomial. What is general form of a cubic polynomial? Ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. So this is the general form of a cubic polynomial. To find sum of the zeros, for this sum of the zeros equal to, for this formula is minus b by a. That means what? Minus, what is b means what? Coefficient of x square by coefficient of x cube. Next, sum of the product of, if alpha comma beta comma are zeros, then sum of the zeros means alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to minus beta. Sum of the product of zeros taken 2 at a time equal to C by A. That means coefficient of x by coefficient of x cube. Sum of the product of the zeros taken 2 at a time. That means 2 zeros, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma equal to C by A. So this is second condition. This is first one. Next, product of zeros. Product of zeros equal to minus d by a. So d means here constant, minus constant term by coefficient of x cube. So if they give any cubic polynomial, to find if alpha comma beta comma gamma are the zeros, to find sum of the zeros, formula is minus b by a. So minus b means minus b value is coefficient of x square by coefficient of x cube. Similarly, sum of the product of zeros taken 2 at a time. We are assuming the zeros as alpha beta gamma. Product of 2 zeros taken at a time, alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha. Sum of all these zeros, product of all these zeros taken 2 at a time equal to C by A. That is coefficient of x by coefficient of x cube. Next, product of zeros is minus d by A. That is minus constant term by coefficient of x cube. So for the quadratic polynomial, how we are finding the relationship between zeros and coefficients? Sum of the zeros is minus b by a. That means minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. Product of zeros is c by a. That is constant by coefficient of x square. Here they gave cubic polynomial. That's why sum of the zeros is minus coefficient of x square by coefficient of x cube. Another condition he gave, that one is this one. Sum of the product of zeros taken 2 at a time is C by A, that is coefficient of x by coefficient of x cube. Next, product of zeros is minus d by A, that is minus constant term by coefficient of x cube. So you have to learn these formulas. When you observe page number 66, do this. In page number 66, do this. Page number 66. Do this. In that they gave alpha comma beta comma gamma are zeros of the given cubic polynomial. Find the values as given in the table. So you have to find alpha plus beta plus gamma, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha, alpha beta gamma. They give different cubic polynomials. 4 cubic polynomials they give. First one, x cube plus 3x square minus x minus 2. X cube plus 3x square minus x minus 2. Second one, 4x cube plus 8x square minus 6x minus 2. Third one, x cube plus 4x square minus 5x minus 2. X cube plus 4x square minus 5x minus 2. X cube plus 5x square plus 4. X cube plus 5x square plus 4. So for this you have to find sum of the zeros, sum of the product of the zeros taken two at a time, product of the zeros. So for sum of the zeros, what is the formula you have? Minus coefficient of x square by coefficient of x cube. Or what is the general form of a cubic polynomial? Ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. So for this, what is the formula you have? Minus b by a. Minus b by a is the formula. Here what is the formula? C by a. Here the formula is minus b by a. Comparing these values with general form of a cubic polynomial. Here b value is 3 minus 3 by a value is 1 minus 3 by 1 you will get minus. Product of the zeros is c by a. C by c means minus coefficient of x. Minus coefficient of x is minus of c by a. Coefficient of x by coefficient of x cube. Coefficient of x is minus 1. X cube is 1. So minus 1 by 1 you will get minus 1. Next, alpha beta gamma minus d by a minus d value is constant minus 2 by coefficient of x cube is 1. You will get plus 2. Next, for this minus 8 by 4. 4 2's minus 2. Here minus 6 by 4. 2 3's 2 2's minus 3 by 2. Constant minus of minus 2 by 4. 2 1s are 2 2s are 1 by 2. Next, this polynomial minus b by a minus 4 by 1 minus 4. C by a minus 5 by 1 5 minus d by a minus of minus 2 by 1 you will get 2. Next, for this polynomial minus x square coefficient by x cube coefficient. Minus x square coefficient is 5 by x cube coefficient 1 you will get minus 5. Next, c by a means coefficient of x by coefficient of x cube. Here we don't have x term, that's why coefficient of x is 0. 0 by any value you will get 0. Next, alpha beta gamma is d by a minus d by a minus constant term by coefficient of x cube. That means minus 4 by 1 you will get minus 2. So in this way you can find the values by using these formulas. So ఈ formulas minus b by a, c by a, minus d by a ఇలా మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసినా ఓకే. లేదంటే మైనస్ కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఆఫ్ x స్క్వేర్ బై కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఆఫ్ x క్యూబ్, కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఆఫ్ x బై కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఆఫ్ x క్యూబ్ మైనస్ కాన్స్టెంట్ బై కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఆఫ్ x క్యూబ్ అలా వర్డ్స్ లో నేర్చుకున్నా పర్లేదు. సో ఎలా అయినా ఈ ఫార్ములాస్ నేర్చుకొని ఇలా చేయొచ్చు ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. నెక్స్ట్ ఇన్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ 3.3 fourth problem. So I will tell you exercise 3.3 fourth problem. In the same manner you have to do example 7. So exercise 3.3 fourth problem. Verify that 1 minus 1 and minus 3, that 1, minus 1 and minus 3 are the zeros of cubic polynomial x cube plus 3x square minus x minus 3 and check the relationship between zeros and coefficients. Check the relationship between zeros and coefficients. So first you have to check whether these are zeros of the cubic polynomial or not. After that you have to verify the relationship between zeros and coefficients. So let f of x equal to, consider this f of x as given polynomial. What is given polynomial? X cube plus 3x square minus x minus 3. So if 1 is a zero of a polynomial, you have to find f of 1. F of 1 equal to 1 cube plus 3 into 1 square minus 1 minus 3. 1 cube value is 1 plus 3 into 1 square value is 1. 1 into 3, 3 minus 1 minus 3. Plus 1 minus 1 plus 3 minus 3 cancel, 0. So f of 1 equal to 0. Therefore 1 is 0 of f of x. Next, f of minus 1 equal to minus 1 whole cube plus 3 into minus 1 whole square minus of minus 1 minus 3. Minus 1 whole cube. Minus 1 whole cube will get minus 1. Minus 1 whole square is 1. 1 into 3, 3. Minus of minus 1 plus 1 minus 3. So minus 1 plus 1 cancel, plus 3 minus 3 cancel, we get 0. F of minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, minus 1 is 0 of f of x. Next you have to find f of minus 3. F of minus 3 equal to minus 3 whole cube plus 3 into minus 3 whole square minus of minus 3 minus 3. Minus 3 whole cube minus 27 plus minus 3 whole square is 9. 9 is 27 minus of minus 3 plus 3 minus 2. So minus 27 plus 27 cancel. Minus 3 plus 3 cancel. We get 0. Therefore minus 3 is 0 of f of x. So from all these three, what you can say? Therefore 1 minus 1 and minus 3 are zeros of f of x. Now you should verify the relationship between zeros and coefficients. Sum of the zeros. Sum of the zeros equal to, what is the formula you have? Minus coefficient of x square by coefficient of x cube. What are the sum of the zeros? These three are the zeros. 1 plus minus 1 plus minus 3 equal to minus x square coefficient 3 by x cube coefficient 1. So plus 1 minus 1 cancel, minus 3 equal to minus. Verify. Next condition. Sum of the product of zeros taken 2 at a time equal to, for this what is the formula you have? Coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. Product of zeros taken 2 at a time. So 1 into minus 1 plus minus 1 into minus 3 plus minus 3 into minus 1 equal to coefficient of x minus 1 by 1. 1 into minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 into minus 3 plus 3 minus 3 into minus 1. 1 into minus 1 minus 1 into minus 3 plus 3. Next minus 3 into 1 minus 3 equal to minus 1. Plus 3 minus 3 cancel, minus 1 equal to minus 1. Next, what is the next condition you have to check? Product of the zeros. So, product of the zeros equal to, what is the formula you have? Minus constant term by coefficient of x cube. What are the product of zeros? 1 into minus 1 into minus 3 equal to minus, what is the constant term? Minus 3 by coefficient of x cube is 1. 1 into minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 into minus 3 plus 3 equal to minus of minus 3 3. So in this way you can verify sum of the zeros and product of zeros. So without writing in words, by using the notation alpha, beta and gamma also, you can verify the relationship like this. So here you have to write f of x equal to x cube plus 3x square minus x minus 3, comparing with ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. You have to write a, b, c, d values. A equal to 1, b equal to 3, c equal to minus 1, d equal to minus 3. Next, let alpha comma beta comma gamma are zeros of given polynomial. Now what are the conditions you have to check? Alpha plus beta gamma. Alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to minus b by a. What is alpha? 1 plus minus 1 plus minus 3 equal to minus b by a. Minus 3 by a value is 1. So plus 1 minus 1 cancel, minus 3 equal to minus 3. Next, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha equal to c by a. Alpha beta 1 into minus 1 plus minus 1 into minus 3 plus minus 3 into minus 1 equal to c value minus 1 by a value 1. Minus 1 into minus 3 plus 3. Here minus 3 into 1 minus 3. These two x cancel. 1 into minus 1 minus 1 equal to minus 1. Next, product of the zeros. Alpha beta gamma equal to c by a. So 1 into minus 1 into minus 3 equal to, here c value is, sorry, minus d by a. Minus d by a. Minus d value is minus of minus 3 by 1. So 1 into minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 into minus 3 3 equal to minus of minus 3 is 3. So in this way we can verify sum of the zeros, sum of product of the zeros taken 2 at a time, product of zeros by using alpha, beta, gamma. Otherwise you can do this by using the in terms of words also. Sum of the zeros, product of the zeros, sum of product of zeros taken 2 at a time, product of zeros. So in the same manner you have to do example 7. So up to this exercise 3.3 is completed. So next we will do exercise 3.4 in the next session. Okay, thank you.